Hey guys, welcome back. Here is the first hands-on look of Sony's Xperia 1 Mark II, and the phone looks and feels very premium and well built together. Now if you are wondering about the weight of smartphone, it weighs around 181 grams and it feels very light in hands. And now coming to the main highlights of this smartphone, the camera and the display. Talking about the display, the phone is coming with a 6.5-inch 21:9 scene-wide display, which is very good for movie watchers, and it is very bright and vibrant. And Sony is using a 4K HDR OLED display in this smartphone. And in camera section, the phone is coming with triple 12-megapixel camera sensors at the back. And these cameras are made by Sony's Alpha team engineers, which make Sony's high-end mirrorless cameras. And the front-facing camera of Sony Xperia 1 Mark II is a 8-megapixel shooter with f2.0. And guys, if you are a music lover and you want that 3.5mm headphone jack in your smartphone, then this is the phone to go. This high-end device includes a 3.5mm headphone jack in 2020, which is very insane, and thanks to Sony. Currently the phone is running on Android 10, and if you are looking at the storage and RAM options, the phone is coming with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, and you also get an external memory card slot where you can add up to 1TB of storage. And now talking about the performance of this smartphone, instead of 120Hz of display refresh rate or 90Hz of display refresh rate, you are getting a motion sense technology in this smartphone, which is very equivalent to 90Hz of display refresh rate. And the phone feels very smooth and quick and performs very well because this phone is using Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset with 5G connectivity. And now looking at the battery capacity of the smartphone, the phone is coming with 4000 mAh battery with USB Type-C port with fast charging and for data transferring. The phone is coming in 3 color options, black, white and purple. And the phone is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 6 front and back. The phone is also IP68 certified, which means the phone is dust and water resistant. Overall, the phone is packed with very killer specs and performs very well. And guys, if you want an in-depth review of this smartphones, tell me in the comment section. I will make it for you guys. Now talking about the pricing and availability of the smartphone will cost you around $1000 and this is not yet confirmed. The phone will be available in ending April or May, but this is not yet confirmed because of this pandemic, but the phone will launch pretty soon. And that's it for today's guys. I hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.